Welcome to our enchanting journey through Japanese-style backyard garden and backyard garden wall designs. In this video, we'll explore 15 inspiring concepts that bring the elegance and tranquility of traditional Japanese aesthetics into your outdoor space. From serene koi ponds and meticulously raked zen gardens to bamboo screens and cherry blossom accents, these ideas seamlessly blend natural beauty with intentional design. Whether you're seeking a calming retreat, a functional yet artistic garden wall, or a full backyard transformation, each concept offers a unique perspective on how to create a harmonious environment that celebrates nature. With lush greenery, water features, and minimalist details, these ideas are perfect for modern homeowners who value peace, simplicity, and sophistication. Let's dive in and uncover how you can bring a touch of Japan to your backyard. Idea number 1. Zen garden with bamboo fencing. This tranquil zen garden radiates calm and simplicity. The meticulously arranged rocks are placed to create an elegant flow, and the raked gravel designs add a sense of order and peace. A bamboo fence surrounds the space, creating a natural and harmonious boundary that blends with the surroundings. Green bamboo and other plants are strategically placed to bring life to the garden while maintaining a minimalist aesthetic. The soft light of the sun filters through the trees, casting gentle shadows across the gravel. This backyard offers an escape from the world, providing a peaceful atmosphere to meditate, relax, or simply enjoy the beauty of nature in its purest form. Idea number 2. Japanese stone pathway with lush greenery. This Japanese-style stone pathway creates a serene and inviting atmosphere in the backyard. The carefully placed stepping stones guide the way through lush greenery, surrounded by vibrant moss and small shrubs. The plants are lush but not overwhelming, allowing the pathway to be the focal point while still showcasing the beauty of the surrounding nature. Soft sunlight filters through the trees and plants, creating an inviting glow that adds to the peaceful ambience. The pathway is both functional and beautiful, offering a space for contemplation as you walk through the calm, tranquil surroundings. This garden provides an immersive Japanese-inspired experience right in your own backyard. Idea number 3. Japanese koi pond with tranquil waterfalls. The koi pond in this Japanese garden is the ultimate symbol of tranquility. The pond is surrounded by rich greenery, with vibrant moss and small plants framing the water's edge. Graceful koi fish swim serenely, their colorful bodies creating a beautiful contrast against the clear water. Soft waterfalls trickle gently into the pond, producing a soothing sound that adds to the peaceful atmosphere. The scene is calming, with nature's elements blending harmoniously to create a space for reflection and relaxation. This backyard oasis invites you to pause, breathe, and experience the meditative qualities of a traditional Japanese garden in the comfort of your home. Idea number 4. Japanese bamboo garden with tranquil seating area. This bamboo garden creates an intimate and peaceful retreat in your backyard. Tall, dense bamboo stalks form a natural wall, surrounding the space and providing a sense of seclusion. A simple, low wooden bench is placed beneath the bamboo, inviting you to sit and enjoy the calming atmosphere. The soft light filters through the bamboo, creating a soothing glow that enhances the tranquil feeling of the space. The gentle rustle of the bamboo in the breeze adds a serene soundtrack to this peaceful garden. Whether you are looking to meditate or simply enjoy a quiet moment in nature, this bamboo garden offers the perfect setting for reflection. Idea number 5. Japanese garden wall with moss and ferns. This Japanese-style garden wall stands as a beautiful testament to nature's power to transform a space. Made of natural stone, the wall is covered in lush moss and ferns, giving it an ancient and timeless feel. Creeping vines wind their way up the stone, further blending the structure with the surrounding garden. The textures of the moss and stone create a sense of harmony, while the greenery softens the appearance of the wall, making it feel like a natural extension of the garden. This garden wall serves as both a focal point and a boundary, enhancing the sense of tranquility and seclusion in the space. It's a perfect example of how nature and architecture can come together to create an enchanting atmosphere. Idea number 6. Japanese tea garden with red bridge. This Japanese tea garden exudes elegance and tradition. At the center of the garden is a vibrant red bridge arching gracefully over a koi pond. The koi fish swim beneath the bridge, adding a burst of color to the serene water. Lush greenery surrounds the pond, including bamboo and low shrubs that add depth to the scene. In the background, a traditional tea house stands as a symbol of Japanese culture, offering a place to enjoy the peaceful surroundings. The colors of the bridge and plants contrast beautifully with the calmness of the water, creating a serene and picturesque space perfect for moments of quiet contemplation. Idea number 7. Traditional Japanese garden with bonsai trees. This traditional Japanese garden is a masterpiece of simplicity and elegance. Neatly arranged bonsai trees, each carefully sculpted, dot the landscape, creating a sense of calm and control. Gravel paths wind their way through the garden, with stone lanterns adding a touch of traditional beauty to the space. The surrounding greenery, low shrubs, moss, and small trees, further enhances the peaceful and natural atmosphere. The stillness of the garden is broken only by the occasional rustle of leaves or the soft sounds of nature, making it an ideal place for meditation or reflection. The attention to detail in every element of the garden offers a perfect representation of Japanese aesthetic principles and tranquility. Idea number 8. Japanese garden wall with bamboo and ivy. This Japanese garden wall exudes serenity and nature's beauty. Made from stacked stones, the wall is partially covered in lush bamboo and ivy, creating a sense of age and continuity. The climbing ivy adds texture and depth, while the bamboo creates a sense of verticality. The soft light streams through the leaves, casting dappled shadows onto the stone, enhancing the tranquil atmosphere. The wall serves as both a divider and a focal point, drawing attention to the natural elements of the garden. The lush greenery and stone structure bring a sense of timelessness, blending seamlessly into the overall peaceful vibe of the backyard garden. Idea number 9. Japanese rock garden with tranquil lanterns. This minimalist Japanese rock garden is a place of peace and contemplation. The large rocks are thoughtfully placed, each creating a sense of harmony within the space. The gravel surrounding the rocks is meticulously raked, forming intricate patterns that add both beauty and balance. Traditional stone lanterns are positioned throughout the garden, casting a soft, warm light as evening falls, creating an ethereal atmosphere. The simplicity of the design allows for deep reflection and quiet moments. This rock garden exemplifies the Japanese principles of balance, nature, and tranquility, making it an ideal backyard feature for anyone seeking a peaceful, meditative space. Idea number 10. Japanese moss garden with water basin. This Japanese moss garden is a true testament to nature's beauty and simplicity. The lush green moss covers the ground like a soft carpet, creating a peaceful and soothing environment. In the center of the garden sits a traditional stone water basin, placed gently amidst small plants and bamboo. The soft sound of trickling water from the basin adds a calming element to the space. The surrounding plants, including delicate ferns and moss-covered rocks, enhance the serene atmosphere. Sunlight filters through the trees, casting gentle rays across the garden. This space offers a perfect retreat for quiet reflection, making it an ideal place for anyone seeking peace and tranquility in their backyard. Idea number 11. Japanese courtyard garden with a stone lantern. This traditional Japanese courtyard garden brings together the elements of nature and culture in perfect harmony. At the center of the garden stands a beautiful stone lantern, casting a soft glow in the evening light. Gravel paths meander through the garden, guiding visitors to discover different plants and features. Bamboo plants create a sense of privacy and seclusion, while small water features add soothing sounds to the tranquil environment. The natural light filters through the trees, giving the space a peaceful, almost ethereal quality. The courtyard's design allows for contemplation and quiet reflection, providing a calm and rejuvenating environment right outside your door. Idea number 12. Japanese sand and stone garden with bamboo screen. This Japanese sand and stone garden offers a serene retreat with its minimalist design. Large smooth stones are strategically placed amidst white sand, which has been carefully raked into calming, circular patterns. The sand, with its soft texture and purity, represents simplicity and tranquility. A bamboo screen surrounds the garden, creating a natural barrier that shields the space from the outside world and ensures privacy. The bamboo also adds a touch of verticality and texture to the otherwise open design. This space encourages reflection, allowing the viewer to feel fully immersed in the beauty and calmness of nature. It's the perfect space for solitude, introspection, and peaceful relaxation. Idea number 13. Japanese garden with cherry blossoms. This breathtaking Japanese garden is an ode to the fleeting beauty of cherry blossoms. Delicate cherry trees are in full bloom, their soft pink flowers creating a vibrant contrast against the surrounding greenery. A stone path winds through the garden, leading visitors to a peaceful koi pond where colorful fish swim gracefully. The pond is surrounded by smooth stones and lush plants, further enhancing the tranquility of the space. Green shrubs and rocks provide structure and harmony, while the cherry blossoms offer a pop of color and elegance. This garden feels like a serene escape, where nature's beauty unfolds in every moment. It's the perfect space for moments of peace and reflection. Idea number 14. Japanese garden with bamboo water fountain. This Japanese garden is designed to create a harmonious and peaceful atmosphere, with the sound of water as the centerpiece. A bamboo water fountain gently trickles into a small basin, producing a soft, soothing sound that enhances the serene ambience. The surrounding area is filled with moss-covered rocks, lush ferns, and delicate flowering plants, adding layers of texture and beauty to the space. The garden's design is simple yet effective, offering a space where every element works together to create a sense of balance and peace. The gentle flow of water and the lush greenery offer a calming escape from the stresses of everyday life, providing a space for relaxation and contemplation. Idea number 15. Japanese garden with pagoda and bamboo arbors. This Japanese garden is a harmonious blend of architecture and nature, with a traditional wooden pagoda at its heart. The pagoda offers a peaceful viewing point from which to take in the beauty of the surrounding landscape. Bamboo arbors create a natural pathway that leads visitors through the garden, adding vertical height and structure to the design. Stone lanterns are placed throughout the garden, casting soft light during the evening hours, and small water features add a soothing touch with their gentle sounds. The lush green landscape, filled with shrubs and trees, creates an overall feeling of tranquility. This Japanese garden offers a perfect setting for contemplation, meditation, and quiet enjoyment of nature's beauty. That's all the 15 ideas for your backyard with Japanese-style garden. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more ideas like this.